All right, how to save thousands of dollars on a door refinish. This is common sense, but I'm going to say it. It's maintenance. Make it so you don't need to refinish your door. And the way you do that is, depending on your exposure, when your finish starts looking dull, just take some 220 grit sandpaper and quickly go over it, and then put on the same thing that you put on originally. You know, more of a clear, possibly. You don't have to put on a heavy color. If the color is good, it just is losing its sheen. Now listen, what's happening is that is evaporating into the atmosphere, and eventually moisture is going to get underneath it, and then you're going to have to strip, which costs thousands of dollars if you've got a door and then side lights and a frame and all that. So how you save thousands of dollars is maintain it every year. If it's a lot of exposure, you'll need to do this every year. If the exposure is not great, every couple of years. And if you've got an overhang, so the top of the door looks great, only do it on the bottom part of the door. You can blend it in. So that is how you save thousands of dollars. Maintain your finish. Okay, it's really simple.